Ka Tibetan Youth Congress kala Pynlong ya ka bike rally ka balas dang nadu bam lapas ha Arunachal Pradesh ha gajing cingai ka balong khatsan 1000 kilometer haki arphau tali ki Jylla Jongkari kani gajing ya rally katmu ban pensapreng khubor halor gajing pendu pendam ya kariti dustur tenrai jong ka Tibet gajing penjulor ya ka mei mariang bat gajing pan jingkershan na ki wekiri na ka benta gajing lai luot jong kinong Tibet kani ka rally ka penpau ya gajing sngongu ya ka India ka bala pen I ya gajing kershan jongka ya ka Tibet.
So we started our campaign, and today is the 15th day of our campaign, and we reach here at the Kylleng. We have a 3 major objective. First one is through this campaign, we want to draw the support from India and international community to give a pressure to the Chinese government for their ongoing culture genocide in Tibet. So we are very much concerned with the Chinese, the hardline policy, and especially the culture genocide policy which is introduced in Tibet. And second, with this campaign, we will be traveling to more than 20 Indian states. So we will be covering more than 15,000 kilometers. With this, we want to convey a message to the government and people of India. We want to extend our gratitude for the solidarity and support that we received for last more than 6 decades. Meanwhile, we also want to urge Indian parliamentarians to have a resolution in support of saying Tibet was an independent nation and it was illegally occupied by so-called People's Republic of China.